los productos a qué precio y por eso los están vendiendo a ese precio. Hay una guerra ahora de todo.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I'm really happy with this radio. This is the RADDY RF757. Now, I have several other radios. I have the one that's just below this one, which is, half the price of this one. And they both use an app that you can put on your cell phone or other devices that will control the radio. So like right now, let me just push a button here to get the, so you can see this is on 6.030. And let me turn the volume down and get him out of my way. So you got the keyboard controls, you got scan control, you can set, and then you got various things that are on the display, such as a signal strength and stuff like that, and the equalizer option. I got it set to normal. The band, I'm in memory mode, so I'm on preset 4 that it found this morning. But I was hoping I could do something, and I can't figure out how to do it, and maybe you can't do it, I was wanting to take my radio and put it down in my radio shop downstairs. I'm upstairs right now, and hook it to an external antenna, but then be able to control it via this app in, say, my living room, sitting in my nice, comfortable chair. But the problem is, and I don't know if you can do it at all. Typically, these radios that have a Bluetooth interface, they're usually one way in that they will receive Bluetooth audio so you can use it as a speaker. This is two-way because it's sending signals to the radio to control the radio, and it's getting feedback from the radio to show you what the conditions are. But I can't get the audio to come from the radio to my cell phone so I can listen to the audio. I don't know if you can do it. I was hoping you could, and maybe somebody out there in my viewers knows how to do it. Maybe it's something really simple. Maybe it's something I have to do on the phone instead of the radio to get audio from the radio to the phone so I can listen to the radio and control it in another room. So that's what I'm looking for. I really like this app, except on my phone, the numbers here kind of bleed together. I don't know why that is on my phone. Mine's an Android phone. So if you got any suggestions of if you know how to do it, it'd be wonderful to find out how. If you know it can't be done, then I'll quit trying. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.